Let's look at a lesson from Savi Kannada grade 2. The name of this lesson is Saralate. Saralate means simplicity, to be very simple. Let's look at the lesson. Adondu dodda sabhangana. Dodda means big and sabhangana means auditorium. That was a big auditorium. Adannu sundaravagi alankara madalagittu. Sundara is beautiful, alankara is decorated. So that auditorium was beautifully decorated. Adakke takkante ella vyavasthe achchukattagittu. Vyavasthe is arrangement and achchukattu means in an orderly manner, orderly or neat, looking neat. So that all the arrangements were neatly made in the auditorium. ಅದು ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸುವ ಸಮಾರಂಭ. ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ means a very prominent person. Gaurava is honor and samarambha is a function. So they had arranged for a function to honor a prominent person in that auditorium. ಅನೇಕ ಹಿರಿಯರನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಮಂತ್ರಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. A lot of great people were invited. ಆಮಂತ್ರಿಸು means invited. ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮ ವಾಹನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಠಾಕುಟೀಕಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಅತಿಥಿ means guests, ಅಭಿಮಾನಿ means fans, and vahana is vehicles, and ಠಾಕುಟೀಕಾಗಿ very nicely and neatly dressed. So a lot of guests and fans were coming in their vehicles who are nicely dressed. ಬೆಳೆ ಬಾಳುವ ಉಡುಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಬೆಳೆ ಬಾಳುವ means expensive, ಉಡುಗೆ is clothes, and ಧರಿಸಿದ್ದರು means wearing. So those people all who came for the function, they all were wearing very expensive clothes. ಕಾವಲು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರು ಬಾಗಿಲ ಬಳಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದರು. ಕಾವಲು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ means security guards, and ಬಾಗಿಲ is door. ನಿಂತು means stand. So these security guards, they were standing near the door. ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. So whoever was coming to the function, they were welcoming them with lot of respect. ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳು means to welcome. So it is an auditorium. That auditorium has been beautifully decorated and it is neatly arranged because they are going to honor, because they are having a function in that auditorium to honor a very prominent person. So a lot of people have been invited, and all the guests and fans, they are coming in their vehicles, very nicely dressed. All of them were wearing very expensive clothes. Then there were security guards who were there near the door, and they were welcoming all the people who were coming for the function. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸರಳ ಉಡುಗೆ ಧರಿಸಿದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕಾಲ್ನಡಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರು. ಸರಳ is simple, ಉಡುಗೆ is clothes. Then ಕಾಲ್ನಡಿಗೆ means walking, by walk. So there was a person who was dressed in simple clothes and he came there by walk, not by any vehicle. ಅವರನ್ನು ಕಾವಲುಗಾರರು ಬಾಗಿಲಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ತಡೆದರು. ತಡೆ means stop. So the security guards stopped him at the door. ಇದು ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭ, ನಿಮ್ಮಂತಹವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರವೇಶವಿಲ್ಲ. So the security guards are saying this is a function to honor a very great and important person. There is no entry for people like you. ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರವೇಶವಿದೆ. Only great VIP people, very important people, only they can enter here. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಡಿ, ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಿರಿ ಎಂದು ಜಬರ್ದಸ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿದರು. So they stopped him and they said there is no entry for people like you. You have to move away from here. Move on the side. And they told this very strongly to him. ಆಗ ಅವರು, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂದು ವಿನಯದಿಂದ ನುಡಿದರು. But that person says, no, I have to go to this function because they have invited me. I have been invited for this function, he says very politely. So in the second paragraph, what we saw was a person, he had dressed very simple and he came by walk. He did not come by any vehicle. So the security guard stopped him at the door and they told him that this is a function to honor a very important person. There is no entry for people like you. So move away and stand at the side. This function is only for very important people. So they didn't let him go inside. And that person says, no, I have to go inside because I have been invited. And he tells all this very politely and calmly. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾವಲುಗಾರ, ನೀನು ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀಯಾ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮೂರ್ಖನನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಬೇಡ. So the security guard is saying, what, are you trying to fool us? Are you an important person? You are not an important person. You are just trying to fool us to get inside the auditorium. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ, simply quietly just move to the side ಎಂದು ಬದಿಗೆ ತಳ್ಳಿದನು. He just pushed him to the side. The security guard told this and he just pushed him to the side. ಆಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳುವಂತಾದರು. And because since he pushed him, he was almost about to go and fall on people who are walking that side. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಬಳಿ ಇದ್ದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಗಣ್ಯರನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿದರು. And by then there was a organizer who was there on the stage and he saw all this. He identified that this person only is the very important person who has to be honored. ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಅವರ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಓಡಿ ಬಂದರು. He immediately came running towards him. ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ ಕಾವಲುಗಾರರಿಂದ ಆದ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೋರಿದರು. So they asked his forgiveness. The organizer, he came rushing there. He asked the forgiveness of whatever the security guard had done and the mistake done by the security guard. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಕರೆತಂದರು. And that organizer himself took this person to the stage with a lot of respect. ಈ ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯೇ ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಾಗರರು. So this very important person about whom we are talking he is ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಾಗರ. ಸಮಾರಂಭವು ಬಹು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. And the function went on really very well. ಬಂದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಗೌರವ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದ ಈಶ್ವರ ಚಂದ್ರ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಾಗರ್ ಅವರ ಗುಣಗಾನ ಮಾಡಿದರು. And all the people who came and who spoke on the stage, everybody praised ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಾಗರ. ಹಾರ ತುರಾಯಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶಾಲು ಹೊದಿಸಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದರು. And they gave him a garland, a flower bouquet, and then they put a shawl over him and honored him. ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾವಲು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯನ್ನು ಬೈಯಲಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. And after the program got over, the organizers, they started to scold the security guard. ಆಗ ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಚಂದ್ರರು ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That time Ishwar Chandra tells, no, they have done their duty correctly. They have very sincerely done their duty. ಅವರ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿಷ್ಠೆ ಕಂಡು ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. I am feeling so proud looking at their sincerity to the duty. ಇಂತಹವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಉದಾರತೆಯನ್ನು ಮೆರೆದರು. So he says such people have to be encouraged. He says it and showed how noble a person he was. ಕಾವಲು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳು ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ವಿನಯವಂತಿಕೆಗೆ ಸರಳತೆಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆಂಬುದನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಕಲಿತೆವು ಎಂದರು. And all the security guard who stopped him and did not let him enter asked for forgiveness. And he also says that I have learnt a lesson today that we have to give respect to politeness and simplicity. ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಚಂದ್ರರಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದರು and they folded their hands in front of ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಚಂದ್ರ. ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಚಂದ್ರರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಶುಭ ಕೋರಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಮರಳಿದರು. So ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಚಂದ್ರ gave his best wishes and he returned back to his house. So this lesson tells that we have to be very simple. We don't have to show off if we are a great person, we don't have to show off how great we are. We still have to stay simple and humble. So this is lesson Saralate.